For the budget project, we have been assigned the task of completing the proposed budget for the next fiscal year. The fiscal year is from January to December. As a tool, you have a budget from the previous year, the salary worksheet, and the monthly expenses report. This is located in the Excel spreadsheet. So you can see here you have your expense report, your salary worksheet, and the monthly expenses. You've been told to project a maximum 5% salary increase, an increase in supplies of 7%, and a 5% increase in all other areas. In order to perform this calculation, you'll need to go back to the Excel document and look at the 2010 expenses, and we want to do a 5% increase for all areas and a 7% increase in supplies. In order to perform this calculation, you're going to multiply. When you reach the screen, the first thing we're going to do is look at a 7% increase in the cost of office supplies. So we can just simply enter into the calculation the 36,000 and multiply it by 7%. It gives us 2,520. We're then going to add these numbers together. The 36,000 and the 2,500. We get a total of 38,000. For the remaining areas, we're going to increase them by 5%. So we're going to perform the calculations in the same manner. And you can simply just click and drag for these items to get the 5% increase. We're going to need to add these back. So we're going to do the sum of both of these items. Hit enter, and then you can just simply click and drag for the formulas to show. Going back to our assignment, it says we must also evaluate travel expenses, membership, and dues. It's policy of the facility to pay for the coder CCS annual maintenance, the AHEMA dues, and to reimburse any coder who successfully passes the CCS exam. We know that 2 of the coders plan to take the CCS exam next year. So what we need to do is figure out how much the membership at the AHEMA website. And we can simply go to the search menu. We can click on membership dues. Okay, so for a CCA, CCS, RHIA, or RHIT, total payment dues appears to be $175. So we can jot that down. 175 would pay for the credential. And then we need to figure out how much it costs to take the CCS exam. We then want to see how much it costs to take the CCS exam. So we can simply go to types of credentials, certification types of credentials, and click on the CCS. At this point, you're able to see that to take the CCS exam for a member, it's $299. Since all of your staff are members of AHIMA, for each person to take it, you have $229, so you'll have to be sure and multiply that by 2 to get the total cost of $458 in order to take the exam. We also are going to budget to attend an AHEMA conference. So we can just go back and add in some of our data.